Hello everyone, welcome back again with me. I'm Yohn. First of all, let me ask about your day and how you're feeling today, guys. Over here, I'm really good. I'm doing well. And how about over there? I hope you doing well over there. And whatever you do and wherever you will go, and I hope so you are doing well. Okay, so before I start to explain this, I want to start about the interactions, why I do this. So I set aside my time. I spend about 3 hours a day just to improve my ability in a skill. So what's the skill? Storyteller. Yeah, storyteller in the futures. A big storyteller that will influence a lot of people. But how I make it come true? How I make it come true, I do step by step. I record myself every single day with a very simple vlog, tell something in English, and I truly believe that every step that we do step by little by little, in the future it will be very impact to our life in the future. Yeah, at first we don't feel the real output, but in the future we will get it, and then I will be thunderstruck in the future. Okay, so that's the introductions. But let me explain to you guys. So in here, I already made some point that we will be head over. There is introduction, wake up, and the bus, my work, and go back. And so let's go to the wake up. So I woke up at 5 a.m. to the buzzing of my phone. I continue to pray to my cat and read the Bible. I tidy up my room. I rearrange the stuff, every stuff inside of my room to where they should be placed. And after that, I went to the shower and scrub my hair, my head, my face with face wash, and yeah, just 5 minutes. Yeah, that was quite fast. But after that, I stand to my daily uniforms of my work. The color is black, so I fairly often use this uniform because it's really comfortable with me. And after that, I put on my shoes, and after that I just went down from the stairs. Okay, so let's head over to the number 3 in the bus. At first I was really thunderstruck to the busway stop because there were a lot of people right in the busway stop, and I needed to be slim. When in the crowd area, in the crowd situation, you need to be careful every stuff. You need to be careful with your stuff. I take care to my wallet. I put it deeper to just to make sure everything right. Yeah, and in the busway, when outside, before I get into the busway, everything just very hot. Even in the morning, it was in the morning, and because I had been walking for about 5 minutes, and it was really tired with me, and it was quite made me sweaty, and yeah, absolutely, it was hot. And after I get into the busway, busway, so the bus is used to make the passenger feels comfortable with air conditioner that keeps on to make the bus keep cool. And I feel, wow, this is very nice. This is very nice. I feel like that. And yeah, after that, I stop in the busway stop. I went out from the busway. So the busway, because my place next to that. Yeah, and then let's head over to in my work. But today it was really tired. Such a really tired. I've never such a tired this activity. When I start work in this company. Yeah, so the stakeholder of this company just asked us to move every stuff, every equipment from one place to another place, and it's such a huge activity that involves a lot of people actually. And I thought I could be say as manpower, because I handle my task with my thoughts, with my power, not my mind, but my power mostly. And yeah, because I have a real power, I eat a lot of food with very high nutrition, so it doesn't really matter for me when you ask me to work on something involved with heavy weight. Yeah, and then I going back from my work. As I said before, between my work and busway stop, fairly quite need to walk. So I had to walk for about 5 minutes to the busway stop. Yeah, the busway stop, and I was waiting for the busway. Yeah, because I saw to the when I was sitting to the busway from Transjakarta applications, we had to wait the bus for about 20 minutes. So I replaced my free time with write down my thought, what I've done that day, what I've done with activity. Yeah, I write down on my thought. Yeah. Okay guys, so that's how my day run, and today is a little bit different from my another activity. Okay, so that's my story to you guys, and I hope I will tell you another story in the future. Thank you.